So if you're a mother on this channel and you've been following this channel, I brought you this wonderful tutorial. Now, this is one of me that people don't know about, and I'm so shy bringing it out. I don't know why, but today I decided to, pack my daughter's natural hair so I could show you how you can do this at home. All I did was to get a rope, comb the hair, brush it properly. If you have a child that is on natural hair, just like this is one way you can just get her ready in the next couple of minutes and you're up and going. Secure the hair as I did with any kind of rope. Just tie it upwards, brush properly, and then make a base like you see me do right now with weaving, or just a kind of, you can do it with thread, anything that will make other hairs to get hold of it. Now you're going to cut the hair and then you twist it in bold and open it up. Anytime you're doing anything that has to do with natural hairs, please don't make it very tight because it will not come out looking good. A natural hair is more beautiful when it is loose. As you can see what I'm doing now, I'm putting everything together into that base that I did. I don't know how to do this voiceover, but I believe you're getting everything I'm saying, right? Then you secure it and use pin to pin it, or you can just use any accessory to just get hold of it. It will go nowhere, and you have just made the most beautiful natural hair pack you can ever think of. Very simple, and this things comes very easy. You can decide to do this. You can also decide to make another kind of hair, but I think this is beautiful. At this point, you can accessorize it with anything you want. You can even accessorize it when you were twisting. I accessorized this with something that has a touch of brown because she'll be wearing a brown dress, and that is it. It was beautiful, very simple, but looks very elegant and beautiful on her. This hairstyle fits my daughter a whole lot, and I tend to do it every now and then. And I really cannot remember the last time I took her to a salon for any kind of hair braiding, and it has saved me a whole lot because the money I will use in making the hair, I will just use it in buying stuffs for the house. But that's because I can do it, right? And if I don't know how to do it, I will take her to where they will do it. Another one is this very fast and beautiful hairdo. Okay, you do this with kinky and a wool or a thread if you don't have wool. So all you do is the kinky, you put it into the hair as I did, as a base, and then folding the kinky inside the hair, or even as the other. I don't know if I was even showing it enough. And then very simple, after threading the kinky, you will still have some part of it left, like you see. Then you will tie it round, you will knot the hair, secure all of them together, cut off the excess part of the kinky, and then fold them into it. You have just gotten a very beautiful hairstyle also that looks very unique. So I felt I should just bring this to my women out here so you can see. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and see you in my next cooking class, because all we do here is to bring goodies to this channel. So thank you, and do have a blessed day. Bye bye.